got one. It's a pretty good one too.
Most people do not like fishing in the wind, and I can understand that. It's a little bit difficult, especially if you're using a bait caster. But I have to say that some of the best days of fishing I've ever had have been on windy days like this. So as you saw in the video, I'm fishing a very small cove with a very stiff wind blowing into it. And this is one of the most important tips that I can offer people, is to fish wind-blown banks. It can be a huge producer. Mainly because this is where you're going to find a lot of the bait fish, right along these banks where the wind is blowing into it. And there are a few reasons for that, but what I'll just go ahead and say is that where there are bait fish, there's going to be bass nearby. So in this video, I positioned myself in spots where I could cast out into the middle of this cove. And this ended up being the only spot where I caught fish from. No other area produced for me.
Missed him. Got it again.
Another big one.
went the wrong way. Oh,